Most leaders are still talking about adoption and capability. The real exposure is whether the system can hold when pressure becomes permanent. In regulated sectors, system ambiguity is no longer a delay. It is an operational liability event. Healthcare and public systems feel this first because scale, oversight, and consequences are already built into the environment. Here is the reality check in the data. Responsible AI is being formalized, but visibility is still failing. EY reports 71% have formal responsible AI policies, yet 57% cite limited visibility into AI usage as a key challenge. That is a control gap. When leadership cannot see how AI is being used, ROI and risk are both unmanaged. Governance is also becoming a cost line and a structure line, not a memo. McKinsey highlights that organizations are increasing governance budgets with 98% reporting increases and 35% reporting significant increases. This is not administrative. This is infrastructure spend being forced into the operating model. When the adoption signal stays blunt, adoption is broad, but profitability impact is uneven, reinforcing that adoption does not equal performance. Now, the system consequence stated plainly in healthcare, unclear decision authority becomes clinical and operational drag, compliance exposure, and experience inconsistency that patients feel immediately. In public sectors, unclear decision authority becomes audit exposure, policy execution drift, and procurement friction and program delivery misses that become leadership credibility events. This is not a motivation problem. It is a structural discipline problem. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, to this week's System Signal Update. I'm Vanessa Dodds. I work as a fractional chief operating officer and executive systems leader, helping organizations fix the structures that determine whether performance holds or fails. If this is a kind of system discipline that you need inside your operating model, I can support that work. Thanks for listening, everyone. Follow and like me here. And as always, make it a great day.